everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something crazy and we're gonna fill this pool with slime, but it's not gonna be just regular slime. We're actually gonna make some Froot Loop slime. It's gonna be super cool. We have some giant Froot Loops made and it's gonna be awesome. I have some helpers here with me. I have the Slimes by Kit Kat, my cousin Kaylin, and my cousin John Aiden right here. And of course my little Abby baby here, and we're just gonna be making some slime. It's gonna be super fun, so let's do it. By the way, my slime shop has just been restocked, so there are a bunch of these slimes in the shop. Go ahead and head on over to www.unicornslime.com or just follow the link down below in the description box if you want to stash some slime. Alright, so we're gonna need a lot of glue for this. I have 6 gallons here, and then I also have 6 gallons of the liquid starch that we're gonna use to activate the slime. So let's get to it. Everybody grab a glue.
Pass them down,
One
guys.
for you. Big one to
pour it.
Slimes by Kit Kat. Yeah. Then I got 2 gallons for myself. We could do this. Okay, so we're just gonna like dump it all in the pool, alright guys? So let's dump in the glue.
Hold on tight to your gallons.
Gonna have to like, really squeeze it in. Have y'all ever made slime this big before?
No, but I wish. I've seen people.
So this is a dream come true, Aiden?
Okay, so now we're gonna pour in our liquid starch. This is just the regular Stofflo stuff, and you know it's a little bit better than borax, so we're just gonna add that in. Let's do it. Okay, I'm not gonna add all of mine in.
Do we add all of ours?
Yeah, you can add all of yours in.
It looks like
Just in case we need
there's so
a
much
little bit more.
bubbles.
I
I've
know.
never
Get it
seen
closer with
bubbles.
this. It's super cool.
Hey, Joseph, we're making some pancake mix.
It looks like it, yeah.
Because like it looks like the Asia slime.
Yeah, slime is not edible. Let's not do that.
Slime
Okay,
can be
so
edible.
all we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with our hands and just start mixing, y'all.
Oh god.
I probably should have taken off my watch.
It's a little workout for your arms.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh,
Aiden,
careful.
Aiden, don't do that, baby. I'm the adult if you haven't realized.
So cool.
You guys, we're doing it.
It's pretty.
Uh-huh. I think we just gotta keep mixing, right,
Yep,
Joseph?
for sure.
I think I'm gonna keep watching this video over and over. I'm gonna I was in there.
Would y'all rather be doing this or go to school?
This. I've been doing this for a lifetime. It's a lifetime guarantee.
School is very important, though.
Yeah, please stay in school. You can make slime when you graduate.
Okay. I guess that's
Wow, look, guys, we did it.
It's actually
It's bigger
a
than I
really
thought.
nice texture
It's
too.
bigger. It's bigger than I thought I expected it to be.
Yeah? Look at that.
Look at
That's
this.
so cool, and we didn't even use all the Stofflo.
We only have. I don't think we even need something.
No, I don't think we
It's
did.
like perfect.
Stretch it too.
Mhm.
A little.
Kind of want to just take a little piece out. Look at that.
Oh, you hear that pop?
Yeah. So cool. Oh, thank you.
The assistant. Thank you,
You're
assistant.
awesome. She's so cute. This is literally like perfect slime right here. So good. Can we have that man turn down his lawnmower, please? All right, y'all. We have a ginormous bag of Froot Loops here.
That's a lot of fruit.
I know. So we're gonna add these in. We basically just made these by cutting up some pool noodles. And so we're just gonna add these in. These are our makeshift Froot Loops. They're pretty cool, right?
Very cool.
My grandpa made
favorite
them.
cereal.
Yeah, our grandpa actually like cut all of them. So shout out to him. Let's pour all the Froot Loops in.
Whoa, baby.
Oh my gosh,
That is so cool.
Okay,
Where's the
I guess let's just
slime?
add them all in, YOLO.
Yeah.
That's so fun. All right, y'all. So we got the thumbnail. We got a couple Instagram videos. Let's play with the slime now.
Oh, wow.
Make sure you get a close up because this is crazy. This is so fun.
This is almost how I like really eat Froot Loops, with all the Froot Loops and very little milk.
It's like no milk.
It's so fun.
This is so cool.
I wonder if they crunch up like the regular foam pieces, you know?
Oh, after they sit?
Oh no, actually they don't. That's kind of cool.
I usually spill Froot Loops outside my bowl too.
More Fruit Loops.
Oh.
It's raining Fruit Loops.
Instead of raining fruit loops. Instead of raining chocolate, it's raining fruit loops. It's raining fruit
That one's stuck in
from
my
out of the sky.
Let's try to lift it, y'all. Do you think we can?
What? No. Cool?
The slime. It's a lot of Fruit Loop slime. It's so cool.
This is so cool.
All right, y'all. It's ASMR time. We're gonna give y'all what we can of a little bit of ASMR slime style. So let's do it.
Come on this side with Joseph.
Come with me. Come here.
Ready?
Slime, ready? Throw her in there. Cool. She doesn't know what to do with it. Isn't that cool? You want some slime with it? Ooh. Here, grab it. Yay! I don't think she'll like that.
She said, no thanks.
Look, Mama, it's fun. Yay! Now get on your clothes. I have to sit down. It's too hot. I'm dying. It's fun, right?
Oh,
Did it bend?
yeah.
Spoon down.
Get slime. Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Good
Oh,
job.
Look at me. Look at you. Uh-oh. I'll take that from you. Okay, let's
Do
see.
you like it?
Let's try this. Okay. Oh, shoot. I bet it did.
Do you like it?
I'm gonna cheat, okay?
Future slimer, y'all. Right here.
Like, look at that. That's
Oh, it just bent.
hacker.
Yay! We ruined the spoon. Alrighty, y'all. Well, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. We had a blast. I'm probably like 50 shades burnt right now, but it's alright. We had fun. Y'all had fun, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Bye.
Bye!